Eightfold Way. Murray Gell-Mann in 1961 introduced a way to arrange the baryons and mesons, and the way is called the Eightfold Way. The Eightfold Way arranges the baryons and mesons in geometrical patterns according to the charge and strangeness, hypercharge of the particles. It is the Eightfold Way that initiated the modern era in particle physics. This model discarded the idea that some hadrons, baryon, and mesons were building blocks of all the rest. Many classification schemes have been proposed to group particles into families. These schemes are based on spin, baryon number, strangeness, etc. The Eightfold Way is a symmetrical pattern proposed by Gell-Mann and Niemann in 1961. It was based on the division of the hadrons into families or supermultiplets and finding connection between the various members of each family. Eightfold Way, it was based on uniting a number of multiplets, those having the same baryon number, spin and parity. Eightfold Way are a larger set or super multiplet. Family or mesons with zero spin. Triplet of pions, baryon number is 0. Doublet of chions, spin 0. And single eta mesons, parity is negative. In case of octet, Eightfold Way regarded the pions, kaons and eta mesons as first cousins. In mesons, parity is positive for pions and kaons and eta, and negative for proton, neutron, lambda, sigma and xi. For nine particles, the meson hexagon is called a nonate. Kaons, pions, eta and antiparticles of kaons. Diagonal line are represent the charge and horizontal line represent the strangeness. For kaons, K positive and pi positive are the charge +1, K0, pi 0, eta 0 and K0 bar charge Q will be 0. Pi negative, K negative are the charges -1. K0, K positive, strangeness is +1. Pi minus, pi 0, eta 0, pi plus, strangeness is 0. K minus, K0 bar, strangeness is -1. The mesons with spin of 0 can be plotted. Strangeness versus charge on a sloping coordinates system is plotted. A hexagonal patterns emerges. The particle and their antiparticle are on opposite sides on the perimeter of the hexagon. The remaining 3 mesons are at the centers. Gell-Mann noticed in 1961 that known particles can be arranged in plots of y versus I3. Y is the hypercharge and I3 is the third component of isospin. K plus, the horizontal line of K plus and K0 represent the hypercharge +1. Pi minus, pi 0, eta, eta dash, pi positive are the hypercharge 0. K minus, K0 are the hypercharge -1. Pi positive, third component of isospin is +1. Pi 0, eta, eta dash are the third component of isospin is 0. K0, K minus, strangeness is half and pi minus, strangeness is -1. For all hadrons, charge can be defined as Gell-Mann-Nishijima formula Q equal to I3 plus Y upon 2 or Q equal to I3 plus B plus S upon 2, where Q is defined as charge, I3 is the third component of isospin, Y is the hypercharge, and Y equal to B plus S, where B represent the baryon number and S represent the stainness. Octet of semi-stable baryons spin half. The 8 baryons which are lightest and have the spin parity configuration 1 upon 2 plus half, where 1 upon 2 represent the spin and plus represent the parity, and parity is even. Now we plot the I3 versus Y graph for SU3 representation. Joining the points, we get a hexagonal pattern from in figure, from which the spin parity configuration 1 upon 2 plus 8 lightest baryons fit into a hexagonal array with 2 baryons at the center. It is also observed that the particles of like charges lie along the diagonals shown by q equal to plus 1, q equal to 0 and q equal to minus 1 axis. The hexagonal pattern, the 8 baryons are different states of a single entity, just as proton and neutron are two states of nucleon. E plus and 0 are three states of the single entity, E and so on. A single parameter I3 separates the members. The two parameter I3 and S differentiate the members of the octet. A hexagonal pattern for 8 spin half baryons, stainness versus charge is plotted on a sloping coordinate system. 6 of the baryons from a hexagonal with the other two particles at its center. The diagonal lines represent the charge and horizontal line represent the stainness. Neutron on proton are the stainness is 0, E minus lambda 0, E 0, E plus if stainness is minus 1, cascade minus cascade 0, the stainness S equal to minus 2, and the diagonal line represent the charge P and E plus, the charge Q will be plus 1, and lambda 0, E 0, cascade 0, charge Q will be 0, E minus cascade minus, the charge Q equal to minus 1. The heavier baryons which have been given in the following diagram are represented by 10 states and they are called decouplet. Each baryon state has a spin 3 by 2 and even parity plus 1, and therefore the decoupled states can also be called Jp equal to 3 by 2 plus Su3 multiplets. 10 heavy baryons states are however not get arranged in a hexagonal array but in a triangular array, as can be seen by drawing the I3 versus Y plot. The 10th particle in the decouplet is omega minus particle. Before the discovery of omega minus particle, only 9 were experimentally known, and I3 versus Y arrangement of these 9 particles left a vacancy. At third component of isospin, I3 will be 0 and stainness and hypercharge Y equal to minus 2. Gell-Mann predicted that a negatively charged particle with I3Y coordinates will be 0, minus 2 must be discovered at certainly in 1964 such a particle was discovered. This imparted validity to geometrical arrangements of particles which were provided by a eightfold way. All hadrons discovered up until 1974 fitted well into this scheme. The new quantum number, this is unitary spin, and this is conserved in strong interaction. It is a system of 8 components, each of which is a combination of other quantum numbers. Eightfold way are the 8 components of unitary spin. Particle in the supermultiplate could be regarded as different states characterized by different direction of unitary spin. Rotation of unitary spin in the imaginary space in which it is defined changes one particle into another particle. Mathematical formulation of this model is based on the group theory. Success stories of eightfold way. The discovery of new particle that fitted into the gaps in the scheme was one of the most impressive success of the model. In 1961, 7 semi-stable spin zero mesons were known. Eta 0 was not discovered. Sakata model and eightfold way predicted the existence of this particle. Eightfold way predicted masses eta 0 equal to 570 MeV, which was close to the actual value 550 MeV. In 1961, discovered all mesonic resonance of spin 1 fitted perfectly into the octet. In 1964, mesons with spin 2 fitted into octet were discovered. Eightfold way predicted spin of Xi particle half spin. Sakata model predicted spin of Xi particle 3 by 2. In 1963, spin of Xi is half. Greatest success of eightfold way prediction of decouplet of baryons of spin 3 by 2. In 1961, 4 baryons of spin 3 by 2, this is delta particle, delta plus plus, delta 0, delta minus, were known. Eightfold way predicted that they were part of a decouplet or of a family of 27 particles. Decouplet triangles in S, straightness and I3 plane, 27 particles, large, hexagonal. According to the SU3 formalism, supermultiplets of 1, 8, 10, 27 particles were allowed. Discovery of omega minus. In 1961, 3 resonance E1385 were discovered. Spin is -1 and spin straightness is -1 and spin 3 by 2, which could be fit into either decouplet or 27 members family. 2 resonance straightness S equal to -2 and charge Q equal to -1 0 predicted to have spin 3 by 2. Decouplet pyramid expect the apex was completed.